It's your boy, Sans. I'm back playing Cat Mario. Last time, if you didn't see the video, I raged completely. So, if I'm just gonna go ahead and skip to, the part I made it to. So, see you guys in a second. Plop it. Okay, I'm back, and I really don't know what to do right here because if you walk over there, it's like a wall that stops you, and so if I just, oh, I'm so done. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so why would I just do? No, I'm done with this game. You know what? Next! Alright guys, this game is, as you can tell, I just rage quit it to the max. So, this game is called syobon multiplayer, so, guessing it'll be a little bit easier because I have friends here that I don't know. Just random people on here. Yeah, pretty much. So this is gonna be like some kind of double gameplay or something, like, you know. What? You know what? I'm done. So I'm playing this multiplayer Cat Mario game. Once again, please, guys, just tell me if you ever want me to keep playing this. Because maybe you do, because you want to see, you guys probably like to see me rage, don't you? Yeah, you do. Kill yourself. So, and the physics, oh, what's that? Give me the, oh my god, oh yeah, I forgot. Like when you touch the marshmallow, you get big. Wait, I wonder. I want to see something. Die, man. Oh my god, stupid slidey cat. This thing does not stop moving. Stupid game. Are you kidding me, man? Kill yourself. Ah! Guys, tell me if you ever... You know what? After this, I'm never playing this game again, unless you guys want me to. If you do, I don't know. You know what? This game sucks ball. Nip. Nippy lip. Raging. Thank you for dying there, my bro. Die. Okay. And I knew it. Something was gonna happen. And now I'm gone. Great. Thank you. No, Jack Road. Ooh. BRB. Alright guys, I'm back. The stupid waste of time game. What if I'm white? No, no. I no touch that. You bad. You. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm not supposed to go this way. You go that way, you die, bro. Just let you know. I'm just letting. Fake it there. Wow! Don't try me. Try me, bro. I'm not in the mood. Try me. Try me. Try me. I bet the grass kills you, doesn't it? That's why I'm not gonna touch it. No! What? What? No. Don't you dare do this. I'm sorry, bro. You're dead. Oh, yay, flag. I step on this guy's head now. Boop, boop. I don't know how I jumped out of that, but I'm pretty happy I did. Come on. You know what? I'm done with this game. I'm done. Alright guys, there it is. Cat Mario / Syobon online. Please leave a like or comment or anything to let me know that you liked the video or if you disliked the video. Please give me suggestions on what I should play next. Please just help. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Complete.
Was real, it's the next episode.